4 signs your wheel bearings need replacing. Number 1. You hear a grinding or humming noise while driving, and the sound increases as you go faster. Second, your steering wheel vibrates, especially when you're driving at higher speeds. Third, you notice uneven tire wear. A worn-out wheel bearing can throw off your alignment, causing one tire to wear faster than the others. Finally, your wheel feels loose or wobbly when you grab it. This is a clear sign that the bearing is damaged and needs immediate attention. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to have your wheel bearings checked out by a mechanic.